If we had a dollar for every time someone asked us when to take Social Security, we'd have a lot of dollars. Now you'll be able to succinctly illustrate the effect and, of course, position yourself to manage a lot of their dollars in the process. The Social Security Crossover tab compares taking Social Security income at different ages and shows the break-even point between those ages. I'll input $40,000 into the average annual salary cell and then compare the extremes of age 62 and age 70. You can see the break-even age is 81, meaning if the client were to live beyond age 81, they would have received more money by waiting to a later age than 62, age 70 in our example. Notice also that a client would receive $103,484 in the first 8 years. It would then take to age 81 for the increased monthly benefit by waiting to age 70 to surpass the $103,484 that was received by starting early. Many factors should be considered when a client chooses to take their Social Security benefit, but this one tool will help get the conversation started.